How to change email on Robinhood. Robinhood is a financial services platform that allows users to invest in stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies without paying commissions. It is known for its easy-to-use mobile app, which makes investing accessible to beginners. Robinhood also offers features like fractional shares, allowing users to buy small portions of expensive stocks, and cash management services like interest-earning accounts. Additionally, Robinhood provides educational resources to help new investors learn about the market. To change your email on Robinhood, follow these steps. Open the Robinhood app, log into your account, go to Settings, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account Information. Select your email address and enter the new one you want to use. Robinhood will send a verification email to the new address. Open the email and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Once confirmed, your email will be updated on your Robinhood account. Contact customer support if needed. Thanks for watching.